This is a quick video on how to replace the removable trimmer blade instead of replacing the whole needle plate. Also be sure to reference the PDF manual on the Melco Zendesk, the link is in the description. Before we get too deep, if your needle plate has the BT marking on it, contact Melco Technical Support for assistance with knife replacement. The standard movable knife cannot be used as a replacement on the BT needle plate. First, engage the emergency stop. Next, use a 2.5 Allen to remove both trimmer plate screws and remove the needle plate. Flip the needle plate over and use a 1.5mm Allen to remove the trimmer blade screw. Clean the back of the plate. Now, ensure you orientate the blade the correct way. Do not put the blade in backwards as seen here. The blade should be flush against the edge facing the exit point. Now secure the blade with the 1.5mm Allen. Reinsert the needle plate in both screws, but keep the screws somewhat loose so you can align the needle plate in this next step. Ensure the E-stop is still engaged, and now rotate the shaft into the hole of the needle plate. Adjust the needle plate left or right until the needle is centered. Now hold the needle plate in place and tighten the screws. After tight, release the E-stop and your embroidery machine is ready to go.